Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. If you are following BBBY, last Friday was not a good day because you can see that the stock was down 30% after our down another 7%. So in this video, I'm going to talk about some news, the chart, trading opportunity, short interest, option chain, and many more things. And if you find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. First of all, BBBY, it ran a lot. It ran a lot. Like whenever the stock, regardless of the news, if it runs a lot, it can come down. If there is a news, then definitely it's a bad news. Then it can come down more. But if a stock is running, it will come down. That's the normal thing. First of all, right? So keep that in mind. If you look at the chart, you will see so many news and everything. And if you know that they had their earning recently, right, and the earning was not bad, but they also talked about few things, and some people liked it. Like we continued, we initiated a turnaround plan and code on serving our loyal customers following a period when our merchandise and strategy have very blah 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 blah. And they talked about so many things here, right? We continue to work with our advisors as we consider all strategic alternatives and so many things. The old news, but their shares declined 33%, and by baby another low 20s. So anyway, old news. So then also the talk about bankruptcy came, the earning, they talked about this. The stock was running. So yesterday another news came on January 30th that BBBY reportedly is selling assets to private equity firm. Retailer says no comment. And that thing came that they're selling their bye baby stores. Okay, they're just cutting it. So that was not good news. Like people thought, okay, it's a bankruptcy thing, so maybe they are going towards that particular thing. You can find many different news. If you're following the media, definitely you will see more. I think there is another here, the Ponder's bankruptcy, exciting meme crowd, and many people are expecting a hearts movement. They also talked about bankruptcy, then how it moved. So anyway, bankruptcy plays a fun sometime, like just go up, right? Red box, now party, they're moving. So just based on the stock, you can see that the day prior, Thursday evening, it went all the way to 5.85. Then after hour, it tried to broke 5.5. Pre-market tried to broke 5.5. It couldn't broke 5.5. So clearly double top. Then it came down. Pre-market, it tried to break this particular 5.1, 5.2 barrier. Once the market opened, it came down. It went up. It tried to break again and got rejected at 5.1. I'm going to talk about the price action, and even though it came down, some of us made some money yesterday because BBBY, we were looking for some particular entries. Like if it comes down, entry was around 4.3 and 4. That was the area for our entry, right? Because we can see some rejection around 4.3. So yesterday it came to 4.3 and moved from there. So some people caught it. But anyway, other than BBBY, we got some good moves: JSPR, Arrival, CBNA, SPC. You can see some big moves. If you want to join our community for daily trade alerts with different ticker symbol, entry, exit, updated chart and everything, go to my website, thestockanalyst.com. Click here, get daily trade alert. You will be taken to my Patreon page. Then you can join. Seats are limited, so give a try and join my community. So if you look at BBBY, the volume, yeah, we had nice volume yesterday, but it was selling volume. It was coming down. That's the problem. It was coming down. If you look at day by day volume, let me go through market chameleon. Where is it? Yeah, BBBY. So if I want to see a day by day volume, I was talking about the volume, right? Because the volume is important. So you can see that the stock was going up with high volume. Yesterday's volume was not bad, but it was on the selling side. And if you go to Ortex, still the short interest is really high. There is no shares available to short. Still the setup is there, but the volume is there. The problem is the news. It was killing everything, right? If you go to Fintel, you can see that short volume ratio yesterday was 54%, 56%. So lots of shorting happening, still happening. On the option side, you can still see these people are holding. Let's go to the next week. There are some things, right? But what I see yesterday, expiry date, now all of these call option, they are out of the money, went to zero. if BBIG, not BBIG, triple BY could stay over 5 or 6, they would be in the money and there will be additional pressure, right? But the stock came down and you can see just it came below 4 and everything is now out of the money. So that's a big deal. Now go to triple BY. So it came and bounced, but the blue line you see here, that was the downtrend direction. So it was making lower high, lower high, lower high. So it came back to 4.2 again, tried a small bounce, then it broke. It came back all the way to 3.4, and now what I see, there is a chance it might come back to 3. Now look at few things. If you look at the recent movement from here, from let's say from 1.6 all the way to 5.6, around 264% move. Okay, that's a big move. That's a big move. So it can come down a little bit more. It can go. I want to show you also something. I want to go back to a 1 hour chart without the extended hours. Just want to show the gaps, right? So the stock gapped up. The stock gapped up, and there is a gap fill. And some people say stock loves to fill the gap, whether it's up or down. So there is a gap still all the way to 3.55 or maybe around 3.5, right? So there is a gap here, and in case it breaks 2.5, there is a big gap all the way to 2.08. So hopefully it will not come back to 2.4, but the way stock is coming down, I hope it can hold 3.5 and give a bounce towards 4.2 again, but no one knows, right? So if you want to look at triple BY's previous history, how it moved, if I go to a daily chart when it went, you see the big gaps, right? Few days it gapped up all the way, then it came, filled the gap, came down again, went up, came down, went up, came down. Some people are saying, okay, it went up too much, it came down, maybe we will see another bounce. You can see that some kind of gap fill, so it can go up again, but I do not want to give any hope, because when there is a bankruptcy play, there is always a fear, any kind of bad news that will kill the momentum. And if they are really going for bankruptcy, then yeah, the stock will come down. So take profit. Even in my last video I talked about taking profit. So I'm not saying sell everything, but time to time take profit. When it went to 5.9, I sold a little bit. I still have a good amount of position, but take some profit. There is nothing wrong. Like, you take the profit, you have the money. If it dips, then you can just buy back again, right? So always have an exit plan or a plan. Just do not just blindly buy and hold and expect it will go back to 25, 30. I think it's not going to 25, 30. So take profit. If it moves three times from 1.6 all the way to $5, $6, take some profit. If it comes down, we will see. But looking at the chart, it might come back to 3.5 and maybe a bounce. So I'm gonna turn on let's go back to a 4 hour chart, and I just wanna turn on the extended hour. See, it came here, we will see. So the next Tuesday morning pre-market, Monday's market close, Tuesday pre-market, we should keep an eye on triple BY, how it is reacting, whether it will curl back all the way to 4.2 again, or it will just come down. So we will keep an eye. But for now, it was not a good day for triple BY. Let me know your thoughts. Are you holding? Did you sell? Did you take profit? I just want to hear your thoughts. Again, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, if you want to join my community, just go to the website, thestockanalyst.com, and click here. You will be taken to this particular website. So anyway, thanks again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.